Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, teachers. This is part 2 of the two-part series of how to use Renweb to mark the attendance of the students. However, this video is specifically created for teachers who are form teachers or homeroom teachers. Alright? So of course, naturally, once again, you're going to log in. And for today, I'll be using a form teacher's account. Okay, so we are now in. Let me fix this properly. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be clicking on, let me fix my screen a little bit, please. Hope you don't mind. Thank you. So I'm going to now click on these triple lines. It's normally called the menu. Alright, so we're now going to scroll down to Report Manager. Then we're going to click on Attendance. Then we're going to look for Student Attendance Print Grid. We're going to scroll down. We're going to select Homeroom. You're going to select your homeroom. Then now you have all the students in your form. Then you're going to click on this double arrow. Take every student over to that side. We're going to click on View Report. Alright, technology requires us to be a bit patient, so it will take some time. So you give it some time. So here it is now. So you can see for the individual student, for example, Jalissa Allen, you can see that our homeroom teacher marked her absent for 2 days, and her maths teacher also marked her absent for 2 days, and her social studies teacher marked her absent for 2 days. Now, for this student now, Sherika Edwards, you can see that her homeroom teacher marked her present for 2 days. Her integrated science teacher marked her present for Tuesday. And you can see that her maths teacher marked her present for, again, you see she was marked for 2 days present for that class. And of course, she was also marked present for social studies. So from this end, the form teacher is able to see which subjects the child was present for. Now, as the form teacher now, if you would like to mark the student's attendance, then you go back to the menu, click on Classroom, you search for your class, see, Homeroom, and then, as you can see, this form teacher actually marked her students. So similar to how you'd mark your subject register, this is how you mark your homeroom register. Alright, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you very much for viewing. Take care. All the best. Goodbye.